So in some of my previous videos, we went over creating multiple outputs for many different instruments: battery, contact 8, BFD, player drums, UJAM drums, moto drums, and a bunch of other things. Today we're going to be taking a look at SampleTank, how to create multiple outputs in SampleTank, IK Multimedia's sampler. So first thing you want to do is open up SampleTank, and we want to open it up in a multiple output mode here. So we'll do 16 for now. So we want to get rid of this for a second. We'll come back to that. I want to open the mixer in Logic. I'm going to use the key command X. There we go. I'm going to click on this little plus sign down here in the instrument channel strip. Get all those going. Then we're going to select all those. I'm going to hit Shift, select all those. So we have the channel strip and all the auxiliary sends there. And then I'm going to come down here, hit right click, and then create track. And we'll get out of the mixer for a second, and that adds everything to the arrange window. And then I'm going to highlight the instrument track that has SampleTank on it. And I'm going to hit Shift again and get all these auxiliary tracks, highlight them. I'm going to hit Command Shift D, and I'm going to create a summing stack. And now we're going to go back into SampleTank. This is our summing stack here, so we can call this all or whatever you want to call it. And then we'll come down to instrument 1 here, which is the SampleTank. And we'll start loading up some instruments. Go to the mixer here, load. It doesn't really matter what we load here. We're just doing a demo. Let's take the piano. Go to the mixer, load another instrument. Maybe some drums. Okay, so now we have instrument 1 here. And we have our drums down here. But as you can see, they're both coming through channel 1. So we have to go back into SampleTank and do some routing within SampleTank. So we'll leave that one on 1 and 2, and then we'll go to this one, 3 and 4, and then we'll do another one here, 5 and 6, and we'll throw another instrument in there for fun, maybe a bass. So now we should have them drums, bass. And they're all coming at the master here. And then of course we go into our mixer and process them all separately if we need to do that. Create panning, whatever you want to do, throw in all kind of effects. So there you go. Now as one final tip, you might want to save this. Once you have all your instruments saved up, you just come down here, click the save, and then you can create a patch with what you created in SampleTank and then load that up whenever you need to. So there you go. Please do check out the other videos floating around the screen here. If you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on other platforms like X and so, check out the links in the description below. That is all for now. I will talk to you soon.